All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and I'm down by the San Joaquin River here in California. It's a beautiful, beautiful day here in California. You guys can see, looking around, it's like 70 something degrees. I've actually got a sweatshirt on. I'm hot, but I wanted to just say, hey, we're getting really, really close to 10,000 subscribers, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway here. Probably within the next couple of weeks. So if you guys, for the next, once this video posts, I'm not really sure when I'm going to post it. Hopefully I have 10,000 at that point. I'm really, really close right now, like less than 20, I think, away. But I've got a bunch of stuff to give away. I've got the Mondragon Angel Falls and a watch rack, both from Chris Walls, the custom-made watch rack that he's sending out, or he sent out to the channel. I got that. I'm going to give away. We've got a SWC diver that I'm going to give away that Josh and Stefan sent out from the SWC watch company, Swiss watch company. So that, and I've got the P51 Mustang automatic from AVI-8, the Ace of Spades automatic from AVI-8, and the Lancaster bomber from AVI-8. So 5 watches we're going to give away, the watch rack and all that. So what you got to do is, once this video posts, you got 24 hours to leave a comment down below at the bottom. Once you do that, 24 hours, I'll count up the comments in your name. Then I'm going to close out the comment section, put those in a randomizer, and then probably next weekend I will do a drawing on that. So I'm kind of looking around at the trail to make sure nobody's sneaking up on me. But anyways, guys, so leave a comment down below on this video, and I will put you in the contest within that 24-hour time frame, and we'll go on from there. So, all right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing to the OFD channel, and thanks for liking all my videos. I really, really appreciate it. We finally made it to 10,000. It's been forever, guys, so thanks. See ya.